Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is a laptop charger is connected but it is not charging. So if you are facing any kind of error related to your laptop battery, in this video we are going to fix it. So first run the troubleshooter, click on the Windows icon, or you can click on this search box, then type troubleshoot. You will see this option troubleshoot settings, click on it. Now click on this additional troubleshooters. Scroll down and you will see the option of power. Click on it. Then click on this option, run the troubleshooter. So this will try to identify and fix the issue related with the battery, laptop battery. Wait for a few seconds. And here you can see there are 3 errors and all the errors are fixed with the help of this troubleshooter. Click on close, then click on close. Now restart your laptop and this will fix the error. Move on to a next method. If you are still getting the same issue, check the laptop drivers, the laptop battery drivers. Right click on the Windows icon, then click on this option, device manager. Now here you will see the option of batteries. Expand the option and there are the 2 drivers I have. So first update both the drivers by right click on it, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically. So this will update the driver. Do the same thing with the second one. After that restart your laptop and check. Now if you are still getting the same issue, move on to our final method, uninstall both the drivers. Right click on the first one, then click on uninstall, then click on uninstall. Do the same thing with the second one, right click on it, then click on uninstall, uninstall. That's it, cut this window. Now shut down your laptop and after that remove your laptop battery, then wait for 10 to 15 seconds. And after that again reinstall the laptop battery and turn on your laptop, and this will fix the issue related with the laptop battery. This is all for the video. Thank you.